as you know, use knee blocks quite a lot with Active Design, but we also use pommels a lot. And it's a little bit the same thought process. Why are we giving this person a knee block? What are they going to use it for? And what job is it going to do for me? And you don't have to use a knee block, but they can be very effective at what they do when they're set up correctly. And not all children will slide forward, and not all children have, need the positioning elements that a knee block will give you in terms of helping to correct some asymmetry and these type of things. So if you've got a child who can maintain their position in the seat and just maybe needs some control to give them a broader sitting base and help control some of the adduction, then using a pommel is a very simple solution. And we use either adjustable pommels, which are basically a knee block without the front parts on, or just this one, just a solid pommel, and this particular one's got a wrap of softer foam just on the outside, just to give it a sort of slightly softer feel. But we either do them with or without the softer foam wrap, and you can introduce gel and all sorts of other materials onto these sort of things, as you can with knee blocks as well. So, Joe's talked a bit about the biomechanics of knee blocks, but I would also say don't use knee blocks automatically. Think, why are we using a knee block? And that's sort of another step on from your basic sort of reasoning of biomechanics as to why they're there. One of the things with a knee block, most especially, which I would stress ever so much, and this applies also to asymmetric seat cushions and lots of things you'll do in special seating, is don't forget the feet. And feet are very often forgotten, and if you've got an asymmetric seat cushion, it means you've got to adjust your foot plates as well, and you've got to be able to move one of the foot plates. More than likely will need to move forward the corresponding amount, and you've got to make sure that you can achieve that and do it on the seating system that you're using an asymmetric seat cushion on, and indeed that you can move foot plates laterally from left to right. There's no good giving somebody a wide abduction with a knee block, because that breaks their pattern down nicely, and we know that from our physio, and Tom sits great when he's got a wide abduction and we set him up and that looks good, but then we've got his feet together and his knees out here, because that's just going to create an external rotation of the hips. So it's sort of action and consequence is absolutely key when you're looking at special seating.